guys. Finally, we use our raincoat here. It's our first time to use it. We are here in Inverness, so we are going to find where to eat breakfast today. Hey.
Well, if you type, I do this.
What? This is downtown Inverness, guys. McDonald's is here. And let's just go around here and explore the area. So the mall is going that way. So we're going this way.
It says Inverness Museum and Art Gallery entrance up there. Let's go up this way. I believe this is good.
So this is the Inverness Castle and the Great Glen way. But the castle is closed right now. But let's just see and explore the area of Inverness. Welcome to the Inverness Castle. So we are heading that way, guys. Even it's closed. Let's just take a picture outside. And the museum and the art gallery as well. So guys, oh wow. So guys, we cannot go to the castle because
It's closed.
it's closed, and the museum as well, it's closed, and it's raining here in Inverness. So we're just going to enjoy the rain here, I guess. See?
That's
So
cool.
that's the museum, the art museum, and this is the castle here in Inverness. So it's raining hard now. I better go now. So one of my friends here in Scotland told us to shop that Primark because it's cheaper. Shout out, love in Scotland. It's a big thing. Jean and Diva and Adia you. I met them yesterday, guys, here in Scotland. So amazing. So this is Inverness. Look at this place. It's Culloden Hotel. So let's continue walking under the rain.
Experiencing the Scotland weather now.
I know. It's cold, it's breezy, and then it's raining. So,
Yeah. Look at these.
oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. So look at this. That bridge.
Good,
So here in UK, guys.
Scotland. UK.
Yeah, in Scotland or UK, because even in London, if you're going to cross the street, you don't need to wait for the stop, right?
Yeah.
But if there is no vehicle, you can cross the street.
Just go.
Just go. And we learned that while staying here. So, see that? It's raining men. Hallelujah. So, here's another area in Scotland, in Inverness. Look at this bridge. So nice. We walked here yesterday with my friends. Good thing they tore us around. So now we know.
Yep.
So this is Victoria Market. We're gonna shop here.
Look at the long thing that he's using to put his shoes on. It's a long, see?
Oh yeah.
Long one.
Look at this. A little bit. Oh, 5 and 10. A little bit of shopping. Oh, look at that. Shopping today.
Oh, look at this one.
And they're famous. What is this? heading to the M&S Food Hall. So that's the Inverness Cat Rail. So if you're going to different places here in Scotland, you can ride on a train there, like Glasgow and Edinburgh. It's shopping time. Window shopping only, right?
Maybe we'll find a place just to sit down and watch people go by.
That's right.
Look down there.
Oh, you wanna go here? Starbucks. Shopping, shopping, shopping. Yeah. Look at this H&M. Look at this, baby. Huh. It's cute.
You put in €1 to watch it. That's the food court down there. They're down there eating. I'm hungry.
You are? You said no. Look at this, you don't know.
Yeah, that's a nice picture.
You go that way, David. You go, you look. That's out. There are shops here. We go this way, love. We go this way.
We walked across that.
So for our lunch, we just buy this one. 3 of this is £7. See that, guys? So you can save if you're gonna buy just this one at M&S Food Hall, and it's just a walking distance from our hotel, from our guest house. So we can save a lot of money by just doing this, and just put on the microwave here. Ta-da! So we're ready to eat. How's your spaghetti bolognese?
It's wonderful. It's good.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
Look at their spaghetti. It's really good.
A lot of sauce.
Yeah. The chicken. Look at the chicken. It's really good. And my lasagna. Oh, it's so good and delicious. So I recommend you guys just go to MS Food Hall
Food court. Food hall.
and buy this food and just reheat on the microwave and you are good. So they call this raining stairs. Go up that way and going down that way. Oh, the way there.
Oh, it smells food.
Yeah, I know. It smells good. This is the castle here, guys, but it's closed. Yeah.
You can take this way.
So this is the castle, but we cannot get in. Yeah. The city of Inverness. Ah, here, look at this. This area is a Ness walk. So we're walking under the rain to this beautiful place. Look at, yeah,
And that church.
this is their nice. So explore Inverness, the city in the Highlands.
For £1, you get a map.
Yep.
See?
Yeah.
It spits it out. Bringing us here. It's bringing us here because of that church. Go up here where you can see the rocks.
Yeah.
Walk, it says.
Yeah, Ness Walk.
That's where it's supposed to be. And see those ripples?
Yeah.
It looks like a big snake out in the water.
So welcome to the St. Andrew Cathedral
In Inverness.
in Inverness. So welcome to the Eden Court Theatre and Cinema.
So they still closed down.
Maybe because nobody's here. So we're going to cross the bridge, guys, because we are going back all the way there. And that's the castle here. See that the castle is there.
Thank you for bringing us there.
And this is the bridge.
Now why is
So it's still raining, guys. And we're just
still the bridge shaking?
Yeah, I can feel it. Ah,
Bridge shaking.
I know it's shaking here. Oh my god, it's shaking.
We're
I
gonna
feel
run.
dizzy.
I'll take my hat off too. It's still raining a little bit,
I know it's still raining here, guys.
but it's nice.
But we really
It's
enjoy.
a nice day. Look at that memorial thing over there.
There's no geocache here.
No.
So actually, guys, we go around here in Inverness because we are playing geocache. So we are playing geocache here.
That's right.
That's why geocache bring you to some places.
Yeah. And we even got to go to the cathedral.
Yep, let's go that way,
See what
baby.
this is over here.
Yeah, let's
I'm
check
putting my
this
hat
place.
back on.
So, what is this place here? So this is a garden. Look at that garden.
It was named after a nurse.
Yeah, beautiful garden.
Let's go over to see what that about that. The men and women of the First and Parish.
Defense of their country in the Second World War.
Now,
So this area, this side of the bridge is Ladies Walk.
on the other side's
The other
nest.
side is a Ness Walk.
Yeah.
So right now we are going to walk this side at the Ladies Walk. So that's the St. Andrew's Church.
Yeah, maybe not. It's a nice view from right here.
Mm-hmm.
What's behind you?
So what is this?
This is the Ness Bank. That's the area that is the Church of Scotland, Inverness.
Oh, so this is the Church of Scotland, Inverness, here in Ness Bank.
Faith, Hope, and Charity. That's the three.
Ora na may mga pisong na humod. Ala, laag pa more. Say it daw, laag pa more.
Log for more.
Ay, Ginoo ko, balag basa.
Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment down below, ring the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Don't forget to subscribe, guys.
That's-
Bye-bye.